Yesterday we saw what is CI/CD pipeline. We did the installation of Jenkins on EC2 instance. Now we'll continue with Jenkins FreeStyle project. Let's lab 2, a Jenkins FreeStyle project. So we already have installed Jenkins, and we can access it or access it on the public IP. Okay, EC2 instance public IP. We have opened port 8080 in security group. Okay, and this is the dashboard which we get for the Jenkins. Okay, so let's start with our first freestyle project. Okay, so the freestyle project is the older version of creating a Jenkins pipeline. Okay, it is not much used nowadays. Okay, but we'll just go through it once. What's it's all about. Okay, so if you already have the Jenkins installed, you can open the console. Okay, and it's a very small exercise. You can follow along with me. So when we click on that new item, you'll get this screen. Here we'll just name it as Freestyle project. We can give any name, and we'll check this first option. So classic general purpose job type checks output from up to 1 SCM, executes build steps serially, followed by post build steps like archiving artifacts and sending email notifications. Okay, so some set of tasks in a sequence it will perform. Okay, so we'll just use a very simple task, that is echo hello world on the screen. Okay, so here we have various options. Okay, so here let's give the description as freestyle project. So there are various options like discard old build, whether it is a GitHub project, is it parameterized and all. Okay, so it parameterized means it will prompt users. Okay, for getting the inputs from the end user, we can use this option. Okay, then there are various throttle builds. Okay, what is throttle build? Means what is the average rate? Okay, the minimum time between the builds. Okay, based on the desired maximum rate. And execute concurrent builds, is it required? Okay, so we can check all these things. As if you want to get some data from directly from the GitHub, we can provide the GitHub URL here. Okay, but as of now we are not choosing anything. We'll choose such options in pipeline. Okay, freestyle project is not much used. So and based on what this pipeline should run. Okay, so what is pipeline? We are actually creating a pipeline. Pipeline means executing some sequence of tasks, okay, based on some condition. Okay, so what is that condition? That we can define the trigger. Okay, so it can be triggered from a script. Okay, it can be triggered from another project build. Okay, it can be done periodically, like our cron tab. Like cron tab means a particular we run a script on a particular day, particular time and all. That is also possible here. Then SCM polling, that also we'll see in the pipeline, that whenever there is something pushed in a GitHub, okay, a trigger will be generated and it will start the pipeline. That is also possible. And this is also a bit similar to that. Okay, but it will do that periodically. Again, there are various options, build environment and all, but we are not going with this now. We will do it in a pipeline, and we'll interested in a build step. Okay, what it should do, the pipeline should do. So as of now, we'll say we'll execute a shell. Okay, so we'll execute a shell and we'll say echo hello. So what this pipeline should do, it should do echo, okay, when it is triggered. Now there are various ways of triggering it. This we have seen, and the other one is doing it manually. Okay, so today we'll do it manually and click on save. So our freestyle project is created. We can go back to the dashboard and again check that if it is created or not. We have this freestyle project, okay, and it is not built. If you move your cursor to this, it will show it is not built. So we can say schedule a build for freestyle project. Okay, this is one of the option. It will click on this, the name of the project, and click on build now. Okay, so if you see at the bottom here, it says success. Okay, it is a very small task, so it says success. Just click on #1. Okay, when we click on #1, so there and go to the console output here. It's very slow. Okay, so if you see the console output, it says echo hello. Okay, now understand that this is a VM. Okay, it is running on EC2 instance. Okay, on that system itself, it ran this command echo hello. Okay, so generally a workspace is created where the jobs are executed. This is one of the job to execute echo hello on the screen. So if you see var lib Jenkins workspace freestyle project, so the name of the project itself. So at this location it went and it executed this command echo hello, and the it is saying it is finished successfully. Okay, so generally we can add any script, okay, backup script as well here. Okay, and that it will do the backup periodically or based on our manual input. This is one of the use case, but as we'll be using it for CI/CD pipe, we'll see that next.